it's Jeanette Gadati of, of Accurate Body Language, and I have with me
Shasta Grifka with Grifka Marketing. I'm a digital marketing specialist and also a ClickFunnels expert.
So we've combined body language with technical digital marketing to be a powerful team, and I think that Shasta is a Wonder Woman mom. Wonder Woman mom. I'm Wonder Woman. She's a Wonder Woman mom. And what are we covering today, Shasta?
So today we are going to go over Melva and Jesse's campaign and how we're helping promote the upcoming webinar with Jeanette and Melva and Jesse.
Yes. So Melva and Jesse are kicking off my Tell Me More webinar series. And what I do is I connect with other experts, guest experts, so that I'm promoting them in their expertise, because somehow their expertise and specialty overlaps with body language, psychology, or anything very interesting. And I have a dynamic partner, Shasta, and Shasta's going to explain how ClickFunnels makes everything easy and powerful. Take it away, Shasta.
So ClickFunnels, as we start going through it, you will see it's very easy to set up. It's cut and paste, and it makes it very easy to put your call to action out there and let people know what you would like to do.
So let's go into Melva and Jesse's webinar. They focus on transforming conflict into connection, because Melva, Jesse, and I are all three Imago relationship therapists. So Shasta is going to explain the technical part of how we developed the webinar. And it looks so beautiful for you, but this is what it looks like inside ClickFunnels. Take it away, Shasta.
So this is the part where we design. It's inside ClickFunnels, and there is many different steps. We put things to, we make sure we bring attention to the call to actions. We give information. We have video. To make it easier for you to see, we will go to the preview.
Shasta, take us through all of the elements from top to bottom on our webinar page.
So this is the first page that comes up. As you see, we had a pop-up. I'll explain that in a minute. There's a link. This is what they will use when they send out Facebook ads or send out emails for invites, their newsletters, wherever they would like to promote this and help gain traffic to their webinar. This is what the link will show. When I open the page, we had a pop-up come up because we want everybody to know our main call to action. The bouncy orange button throughout the sign-up page, you will see. It is orange. It's bright. It bounces. It brings attention. You always want to make your call to action very obvious, and it is here. It's simple. We just want their first name, their email, and then we also have an option where they can click here and receive text reminders. I know in the past, whenever I attend webinars, you get really busy. Getting that text just reminds me right before it starts that, hey, it's time to log in.
Exactly. And the text, you know, we're very busy people. We don't always have time to go into our emails and read our emails, but with text message option, Shasta and I can send you reminders if you're interested in the webinar, you know, 1 day prior to the webinar, 1 hour prior, 15 minutes, 5 minutes prior, and then showtime.
So this is a front page. Throughout every channel and everything you see, you will see Jeanette's image. Her logo is everywhere. And then the argue less and love more. This is what the webinar is about.
Yes, take us back. Argue less and love more. You want a compelling, powerful, captivating heading that really snaps people into, hey, what's this all about? Argue less, love more. It's almost like a showstopper. It stops them in the tracks and gets them to pay attention. And then what's below the, oh, and I want to also say, all of this content is above the fold. And Shasta is going to tell us all about the elements that are above the fold, because you want all of this that we're about to show you above the fold so that the person doesn't have to scroll to register and hit your call to action button. Right, Shasta?
Yes. So this is what everybody will see when they first open it. They'll see the quick line right here that gains attention. You'll see video, because video is key. Nice and simple. You click play. It's got Jeanette's information. All of our videos start like this, so it's recognition for those that know Jeanette and accurate body language. And it has Jeanette and Melva and Jesse talking and trying to just let people know what it's about and why they need to register now.
Exactly. That video explains in a conversation, a natural conversation, what the video is about, what the webinar is about, and why you should register for the video and what information you'll gain from the video. So tell us more on the right side of the page. What is all of that about in the dark color section?
So right here, we start with free webinar. Let people know it's free. People love free webinars. It'll get traffic there. The argue less, love more. Once again, letting them know what it's about. Get your loved ones to listen without raising your voice or losing your cool. That way they understand a little more what the argue less, love more is for. We have the countdown.
I love that heading. Get your loved ones to listen more without raising your voice or losing your cool. Everybody can relate to that, especially people who are married with children.
Yes.
Right? What's below that? What are those circles?
So these right here is the countdown. That also helps bring people to your call to action. Let them know that there's 33 days. Let them know there's only 1 or 2 days left. This is very important. People will get on and they may see they only have a few hours left. Well, they need to register now while they're thinking about it before it starts, and they miss the chance for this free webinar. So the countdown is always important. It helps make people decide to push your call to action even sooner.
It creates a sense of excitement and urgency. And I love that orange bouncing call to action button.
Yes, there's that button again. As the pop-up had showed you, you'll see it throughout. It's always orange and always bouncing, because that is our main call to action, is that people register for this webinar. So it always gains attention. Then right here, there's just a little more information. It's telling them, you know, get the love you want, and just some information with the webinar, sending email reminders to them so they know when they sign up and give you their email what they'll receive.
And if that webinar time, if that date and time doesn't work out for you, we want you to still go ahead and register, because what will we give them regardless?
We'll send them the replay afterwards.
Exactly. So what's next? What's next, Shasta?
Well, as you can see, I have something following me along the page. This is the video up here. Did they view it all? We don't know. Do they want to see it again? It follows them throughout the registration page. So it'll always be up here in the corner, so I can always go back and view that video. Next.
That way the information, the important information on the video follows the viewer as the viewer is looking and reading all of your content on the webinar registration page.
Yes, and then the last part of the first part of the page above the fold are the secrets. These are showing people what they are going to learn in this webinar. Yes, we know argue less, love more, but these let them know what the secrets they're going to learn to follow that and how to keep their cool, so they will watch or get the replay and learn more.
So secret number 1 is get your loved ones to listen without raising your voice or losing your cool. Secret number 2 is feel heard and understood by your partner. And secret number 3 is transform connection. Oops. And secret number 3 is transform conflict into connection. Then what's below that, Shasta?
Then we have the informations. Our host will be Jeanette Gadati, and it gives her credentials and what she does. And then we have Melva and Jesse, same thing, their credentials and where they're from and what they do. Then people understand how they relate to this topic, so people can see their credentials and want to learn more from them because they are experts in that area.
And Melva, Jesse, and I are Imago relationship therapists. We focus on how to recapture the connection in couples. And this is my favorite part. Shasta created this. Shasta, tell us what this two-tone yellow coupon-looking section is all about.
So we may look like a coupon, one, because it is a special offer, so it has the dotted lines because everybody loves to cut their coupons out. And then as the orange button sticks out, this does also use a darker color than lighter where the text is, so people notice this. And it's the share, social share option. So we obviously want people to share it themselves, so people that they know will want to attend the webinar. So we make it very easy. One, like I said, it's easy to read, and two, there's options here, there's options here. So we make it easy for them to share. We ask them to share, but then we also are offering something in return. Every Tell Me More webinar campaign has a raffle. So anybody that shares and lets them know, they will be entered to win a 90-day free trial with Melva and Jesse for Communication Success Club for Couples. So it helps.
Every guest expert in their contest will offer a specific bonus or prize for that campaign. So in this case, Melva and Jesse are offering a 90-day free trial. Oh my God, 90-day free trial of their Communication Success Club for Couples. That's an amazing thing, and it's so easy. All the prospect has to do is share this event on their social media and let Melva, Jesse, and I know that they've shared. And look, 1 or 2 lucky winners will be selected from those who share on social. And Shasta came up with this wonderful, amazing idea to make sure that we spread the word and spread the benefit of the webinar to more people. Right, Shasta?
Yes. So with this coupon here, we are asking people to share on their social networks. That way their friends and family are hearing from trusted, reliable resources that this would be a great opportunity. Then we're offering a raffle so more people will share. Then once again, you have the Register Here Now button. Why do we do this? Because we had the first part where we gave them information. If they scroll down and think about it, well, now they're like, wow, if I really do register, I also get a chance to win something from them. So let them register and let them share. If you're asking them to share something, just make sure it's very easy for them to register nearby. Making things as easy as possible. Making things as easy as possible is what people look for.
And it's so easy, and you have a chance to win whatever the guest expert is promoting for sharing on social.
Then our next step here, and once again, we're still just telling them what's about. Tired of the same old arguments with the one you love. So we're telling them what's about, but we're using different wording this time. Then once again, you're back to the ready to argue less, love more. They click on the button. If they're not sure yet or want some more information, we move down to this section right here.
And that's social proof and testimonials, so that the prospect can read about what my promotional guest experts, what others have said about my guest experts' expertise.
So they can scroll through here and see all these different testimonials from clients, so they can see their expertise and just get to know more about them and how they've helped other people.
And what's at the footer, Shasta?
So here at the footer, when all your funnels are set up, we have the legal information. We have the copyright information, the business name, all rights reserved. Then we have the disclaimer, privacy policy, terms, and the contact us. So people can see legally how you are working. It has the policy for them to read, it has a disclaimer, and it has the terms. And then obviously you always want the contact us nice and easy, because you would love for them to contact you.
So we just showed you on the back end how we designed the campaign's registration page. And although Shasta explained all the technical stuff, it really is easy. Wouldn't you say, Shasta? ClickFunnels makes it so easy, even a non-techie person like me can do it.
Yes, it makes it very easy. It's just insert in. You don't have to design stuff. You just click and insert. It'll be very easy. If you want to know how easy it is, then I am here to help you with that.
That's right. Shasta makes it look easy, and you don't have to spend all the time and effort and the 2 years that Shasta and I spent learning about ClickFunnels. You're too busy, living your life and growing your business. So that way, Shasta can be your go-to gal to make all of this happen if you're thinking about taking your business online. So Shasta, tell the audience how people can get a hold of you.
So they can get a hold of me very easy. They can email me at sgrifka@grifkamarketing.com. It's SGRIFKA, Grifka Marketing at grifkamarketing.com, or visit my website, grifkamarketing.com.
And point to each letter as you're saying your
Okay. Grifka.
It's a tongue twister, I'm telling you. So make sure you catch our webinar. Make sure you sign up and click on the orange bouncy register now button and catch the webinar, and also get in touch with Shasta because she makes your business grow and make it beyond what you thought was possible. Any final words, Shasta?
I just say I'm looking forward to the webinar myself, and I look forward to hearing from you.